Hey guys, today I'm coming to you guys with an individual lash tutorial. This is by the brand Foundia DIY Lashes at Home. What comes in the packages is lash bond and seal, lash remover, lash tweezer, mascara wand, cluster lash box, okay? They're soft, easy to use, and they are also lightweight. So let's do this unboxing. The numbering is from 10 to 16. 10 would be the shortest and 16 would be the longest. So in the inner corner, from the inner corner all the way out, I want it to flutter. So I kind of want it to look very feathery. So I'm going to start with it short, and then as I move along, I'm going to make them long out so they can longer so that they can wing out. All right, so let's begin. This is the lash bond and seal. Step one is you're going to open this up, and what you're going to do, you're going to apply this lash bond and seal mascara over on your lashes, right? But before you do that, you're going to remove the lashes that you want so that it's easier for you to maneuver, because you don't want it to dry, or get real tacky while you're still trying to remove it if you're not a pro at doing this or really don't know how to do it. But they give you these beautiful tweezers so that you can be able to remove it from the tray. When you grab your lashes, make sure that you grab it from the root. The reason why you grab it from the root is because you do not want to separate the lash. So always start from the root and remove. So this is what I was showing you guys. You got to grab it from the root so that you don't break it. So you go underneath, you pick it up from the root, and then you slightly pull, but not too much force. So I have the 10 at the top, and then I have the 12 at the bottom. And then I place it the way I want to pick it up to make it easier for me. Okay? So just say here is my lash line right here. From the front here to the midsection, I'll be doing 10s. Right at that midpoint, I'll start doing the 12s. And I'm going from short to medium. And then we go from medium to long, which that would be 12 and 14. If you want it to stay shorter, you go 10 and 12. So you can give a really more natural look. The more voluminous you want it, the more of the lash you're going to add on top of it, so that you can thicken it up. We are now going to take the Bond Waterproof Long Lasting. This is the part that's what we're going to be using right now. This is step one. Once we have applied all of our lashes, we're going to be followed with step two. Okay, this is to lock the lashes in place.